Hello, welcome to the first section and lesson of the course. On this section, we are going to install Android Studio. We are going to create a new project, explaining what is an activity and what is an SDK. Then we are going to continue downloading the SDK Manager, which is the way to be updated with the last Android version. When we have all of this, we are going to launch our first application on your mobile and on an Android emulator. And if you don't like very much the Android emulator, on the fifth lesson, we are going to talk about Genymotion, which is a quickest emulator, much better than the Android one, and totally recommend for this course. And finally, we are going to finish with an exercise, which is test your application on a 10-inch tablet. Okay, let's start downloading Android Studio. Open a browser and go to developer.android.com. And at the bottom, you have the link for Android Studio. Android Studio is the tool that we are going to use to develop for Android. At the moment, there are two tools on the market. One is Android Studio and the other one is Eclipse. But as you can see here, Android Studio is winning the battle so far. It's still on beta, and beta means that the software is unfinished, so some people doesn't like to use it because they think that it's going to have any kind of problem or errors, but don't worry at all. It's used commercially by many companies, by many developers, and is, in my opinion, much better than Eclipse, because as you can see here, the advanced Android coding compression and refactoring, this makes your life much easier when you are working with Android Studio every day. And for a person that is learning, this makes a big difference. Okay, let's download it, accept the terms and conditions, continue. Now, come back to the video when you have downloaded it. Okay, I have it here. It's going to be different for Windows and Linux, so please, if you find any problem, leave feedback on the course and I will try to record it for this operating system. For Mac, just drag and drop Android Studio into application. I don't have a previous installation of Android Studio, so I don't want to import any setting, okay? And we are ready to go.